I suppose you clicked because you wanted to know how to do the walking animation. So let's do that now. Like my teacher look? I just designed it last minute. And also I'm kinda tired. Anyway, so you're obviously gonna wanna go in the app and customize your character the way you want to do it. Now just wait here and let me just finish customizing my character real quick. Where is it? Did I skip it? Yeah, I did. Okay. I think that's it for the hair. You're going to want to go to pose and go to the walking animation that you want. Going to go to animated and select the walking animation that you want. I choose skipping. Now, I hope you did what the text said, because you're going to need that video later. You also need to do it on a green screen. You're going to want to go to media. Wait a minute, I think I'm forgetting something. Yes, I'm forgetting something. You're going to have to go back in the app, screenshot or download any background that you want. I'm very sorry for this inconvenience. I choose... Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. How about that one? Yeah, I choose this one because it looks pretty. I'm going to screenshot it. Go back into the app. So you're going to press media. And go to photo. Just like so. Wait. Okay, anyway. So you're gonna want to go to layer. I'm including the mistakes. I'm including the mistakes so you know what not to do. So it's gonna get very complicated. Watch me closely. I'm gonna do that. Drag your character to where you want it to end, and then press the end arrow. Just like so. Even though I already said that, but like, who cares? You're gonna want to size it. There you have it. That's the finished product.